you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. You guys, we got such a great opportunity. This opportunity comes straight from Open Door, you guys. Open Door. They are paying so much money for such a simple job. So they are paying $192,000, you guys. $192,000 for such a simple and easy job. You guys, you guys go rewrite your resumes. Go get on this job right now. So this job comes with the full bells and whistles. It comes with full benefits. It is also 100% fully remote, you guys. Fully remote, you guys. I want y'all to get this job because this job is super simple and super easy, you guys. And I will be coming out with a video for you guys telling you the best places to find the job from. Find good paying, high paying jobs, you guys. I will be coming out with a video shortly. You guys stay tuned. But what I want you to do today is I want you to rewrite your resume. Rewrite your resume for this job, you guys. So in order to land this job, you have to have a resume. In order for you to apply for this job, on their website, right under the description, you have to have a resume and a cover letter. You guys go get the virtual resume rewrite session so you can rewrite all of your skills, your experience, everything that you guys need to land this job. That kit, the virtual resume rewrite session, it is a tutorial. It is also a resume kit, you guys. This is a pain-free, no work, no think resume kit. All you have to do is literally copy and paste and follow the tutorial. Follow the tutorial, copy and paste, and yes, you guys can land this job, okay? Also, it comes with cover letters, okay? So this job requires a cover letter. They require a cover letter and they require a resume, you guys. Go apply for this job right now so that I could get you on my shout outs of the day. Oh, my shout outs of the day. They are so wonderful, you guys. I am so excited, okay? So we got Miss Marguerite. She is from the South. She emailed me. She said, Sam, these jobs are not paying out here out South. Some of the jobs are still stuck at like $16 an hour. But you guys, she used the virtual resume rewrite session. I am so proud of you, girl. So she landed a remote project management job. They are now paying her $185,000. Go, girl. I am so excited for you, girl. And wherever you at down south, pack up, leave, and go to the good part of the neighborhood because you can afford it now, baby. Okay? All right, so we got Mr. Reggie. Mr. Reggie, he rewrote his skills using a virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. He got an offer for $172,000. I am so excited. I'm super excited for you, Mr. Reggie. And then we got Miss Camilla. Okay, baby? So, Miss Camilla, she got a job as a program manager, you guys. So she got a job as a program manager in the healthcare field. I cannot tell you guys where she works at, but she got a job as a program manager in the healthcare field. She is now making $142,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session. And you guys, like I told you guys before, the virtual resume rewrite session can help you rewrite your skill for any industry. So if you're switching industries, definitely go out and pick that up because there's so many people who have landed jobs that are not in their industry using a virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. And like I told you guys, that thing is paying for. So go out and go get that because most of my clients, you guys, are getting interviews and job offers even before their second installment. What are you waiting for? What in the world are you waiting for? That resume kit is a no think, no work, no thought resume rewrite kit, y'all. Go get that rewrite kit and go rewrite yourself. Go rewrite yourself a new life, okay? Go rewrite yourself a new life. And that is the inspiration of the day. So, right now, I know that many of us are not in the space where they want to be. You guys are not in the space where you want to be. But the inspiration of the day is rewrite your life. Rewrite where you are. Rewrite your opportunity, you guys. The, Basically, your resume can take you places where you never ever thought that you were going to be. You guys, go rewrite your skill, rewrite your resume, rewrite your life, because this is 2023, and like I'm telling you guys, we are going to walk in abundance this year, okay? We are going to take the leap of faith, and we will not be scared. We will show up unafraid. Unafraid, you guys. Unafraid of greatness. So that is what the inspiration of the day is. I will rewrite my life. I will be unafraid of the greatness that is about to come into my life, you guys. That is the inspiration of the day. All right, you guys. So we got to get into this job, because when I tell you these jobs from Opendoor, these jobs are so good. So good. So I will be doing a video tomorrow. Make sure you're there tomorrow on my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be doing another video on Opendoor with a different position, because this job is too good to let go. So let's get right into the job. Let's get into the job right now, you guys. Let's go. Guys, so when I told you that this job was super simple and super easy, I sincerely mean it. So for this job, you are going to be a benefits program manager. So for a benefits program manager, they are paying $192,000. When I tell you, you get all the bells and whistles when it comes to benefits, I'm talking about 401k, leave, time off, parental leave. You get it all with this job, okay, you guys? Go rewrite your resume. I'm gonna keep on telling you guys, go rewrite your resume for this job, because this job is too simple, too easy, too good. They are not even asking for an education with this job. And a lot of these jobs, and I'm gonna keep saying this in my video, this is 2023, you guys. A lot of these jobs are not asking you to have a degree anymore. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to get executive level jobs without having a degree. So you need an executive level skills resume. You guys, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. It is, when I tell you that I literally sat there hours and hours and hours searching up all of the skills that a program and a project manager would need, and I formulated all of the experience based upon those skills. There are paragraphs for each and every skill, each and every experience. You guys, all you have to do is copy and paste. That is how easy I made this for you. And like I said, this is a no work resume, y'all. No work resume. All you're going to do 10 to 15 minutes is sit there and literally take all of my expertise, all of my knowledge, follow my tutorial so that you guys can land this job. This job is too good. Okay, so let's get down to what they're asking for. So, I don't read the about Opendoor. No, we're here for what this job is actually asking us to do. It says about the team. We are looking for a benefits program manager to join our total rewards team. As a member of the team, you will be an active voice and key driver in how we deliver benefit solutions to our growing global population. You will partner with key members of the people team to help execute in the design and implementation of offerings across the organization. As an expert in the world of benefits, you will thrive delivering thoughtful program solutions. You will find energy in working alongside a fast-paced team with a growth mindset. So basically, what they're asking you to do as the benefits program manager, what this saying is that you will help them to execute in the design and implementations of offerings across the organization. So you will help them to basically make a package of benefits for their incoming team. That is how simple and how easy this job is. Go rewrite that resume. Go do yourself a favor. Go do the pay in full. Pay me later, okay? Pay me later. I don't even care. Pay me later and go rewrite your resume for this job. The only thing that you are doing is you're partnering with the team and you are going to help them decide what benefits or create a package of what benefits they're going to spread across their new hires, their team members, and how to implement them. Go get this job. Go get this job. No matter where you are, go get this. No matter where you are in the world, no matter where you are, no matter what industry you're in, use that virtual resume rewrite session. Use that virtual resume rewrite session to revamp your resume. And if your resume is old, get the virtual rewrite session to create a totally new resume. That's what you need. You need a totally new resume, okay? Because like I was telling you guys, with these type of no degree jobs and your these are executive positions. You have to have an executive resume. They're asking for one even when you go down to apply on this sheet. So y'all, go apply for this job using the virtual resume rewrite session. They're also asking for a cover letter. It's included within there. I want you to have this job. I wish I could see I wish I could see how I am about this job. This job is super simple, super easy, and you guys can do this. I know that you can. I know that you got the skills. Heck, I saw y'all resumes. I saw most of y'all resumes. You guys got the skill. The only thing you're using the tutorial and you're using all of the keywords and experience that I give you guys to land this job, to get called back for this job. That's what the virtual resume rewrite session does, okay? All right, so let's get into the next one. It says role responsibility. It says act as the program administration responsible for all aspects of various benefits program management, including daily administration, funding, management reporting, and a focus on continual improvement in the employee experience. All of that is listed on the virtual resume rewrite session, okay? You will liaise with finance and accounting to forecast annual benefits spend and track ongoing utilization, ensure compliance with all applicable legislation, provide guidance to benefits coordinators, HR operations team, and third-party vendors. You will be a subject matter expert in U.S. benefits with experience being an advisor for large business verticals. You will monitor trends and best practices and make recommendations toward implementation. You will identify and troubleshoot process breakdowns, build tools and standard operating procedures, and you will develop employee communication related to benefits program. Basically, what they're telling you, you're going to be the head of their benefits department, okay? You are going to be the benefits manager, okay? So you are going to see how those benefits work, the implementation. You're going to basically develop the benefits, tell them what benefits that they need to give their employees. You're going to give your recommendation, and then you're going to help them to implement it. How simple, how easy. This job is so easy, okay? Go get this job, all right? Okay, the skills needed. It says a minimum of 10 years of relevant work experience leading benefits programs, okay? Leading benefits programs. So on your resume, I want you to put benefits leading the benefits program team, okay? That's what I want you to put. Get that in the virtual resume rewrite session. It is under the paragraph, and I'm going to tell you what paragraph it is. It is the first paragraph on the virtual resume rewrite session, which is program management. It's program management. And the very first bullet point, take that bullet point and take that bullet point, and I want you to put leading leading the benefits program at whatever job you had, whatever job your first experience was. That's what I want you to put. It says or a bachelor's degree in human resources. If you don't have a bachelor's degree in human resources, business, and all that, that is what you're going to do. You're going to say you had 10 years experience in my summaries that I give you. In the summaries that I give you, the number, you're going to put the number 10 up there, okay? It says prior experience in managing employee health care, retirement, and leave of absence benefits program. Prior experience supporting a benefits function within a high growth organization. Excellent Excel and Google Sheets skills, okay? They're just asking you to be proficient in Microsoft, all right? It said a self-starter with a drive to collaboration and problem solve, strong communication skills, and a strong eye for business, particularly financial and analytical skills. You guys, all of that, every single one of those skills are listed within the paragraph for the virtual resume rewrite session, all right? And I'm going to start giving you all the paragraphs on the virtual rewrite session, where to go to and how to pick that up, okay, you guys? So if y'all want it, comment, we want the number, and then I'm gonna start making my videos with the number of the paragraph that you're going to use once you get the virtual rewrite session. Okay, so let's get down to the conversation because y'all know that's where we need to be. All right, let's go. So let's look at the location. So the location for this role, it says remote roles in the U.S. are available in all United States except for Hawaii, Alaska, Montana, or any U.S. territory, okay? So those are the only places that you cannot apply. But let's look at this compensation. So the compensation, it says the base salary for this position in Colorado, Connecticut, and Washington and Jersey is the same as everywhere else. I don't know why they're putting that there, but it starts at $128,000 and it goes all the way up to $192,500. Y'all go get this job. Go rewrite your resume for this job because all they're asking for is skill. That is the only thing that they are asking for. They are asking for skill with this job. You guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session, okay? Rewrite your resume. I already told y'all what to put in the resume. On paragraph 1 of the virtual rewrite session, put that you have benefits experience, you guys. Put that down there. So go get that virtual rewrite session. And like I said, it's no work, no pain. And you're going to have a professional resume to give to them in literally 10 to 15 minutes, all right? So let's go to the benefits. It says full medical, dental, vision. And then it's flexible flexible vacation policy, generous paid parental leave, and paid time off to volunteer, okay? You guys go get the virtual resume rewrite session, rewrite your resume, rewrite your life, okay? And that's why I do these videos for you guys, because I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to go ahead and do everything that you have ever dreamed that you could do, because I know you can do it. Rewrite your resume, rewrite your life, use that virtual resume rewrite session. Literally, the only thing that is standing between you and a great job is your resume. Go rewrite it. Go use all the skills, all the experience that I'm giving to you guys. You guys have a great, productive, amazing, wonderful day. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow because there's another job on here that I found and I want to share with you guys. It is as simple and as easy as this job. Comment, we want the numbers. Comment, we want the numbers, and I'm going to tell you guys what paragraph to take from the virtual resume rewrite session to put into this. You guys have a blessed, amazing, productive day. Remember to be kind to others, but be kind to yourself and fill yourself back up, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.